Hey guys, it's Scottie here, and today I'm going to be using this brush pen for the first time on a video. I'm fairly new at using it, but today I'll be trying to create a street style, kind of like a stencil look to my sketch, as I use a photo reference to do this one. So let's see how it turns out. To get the look I'm after, I'm actually going to leave gaps between the lines and also focus on the shadows. The tip of the brush is so flexible, you can get these really nice scraping effects with the side of the brush. I think I'll be doing some more brush pen sketches like this because I really enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to check those out and get notifications for them. Okay guys, see you next time.